The Tax and Jobs Act was signed into law in December of 2017. This new tax law provides the most significant tax policy overhaul in over 30 years. And as you can imagine, it has both accountants and business owners scrambling to understand the implications. I recently had the opportunity to interview Jeff Zufall, Senior Tax and Financial Advisor at Capital Advisory Group Incorporated, host of The Truth About Taxes with Jeff Zufall, and author of the new book, Tax Free, Your Guide to Tax Mitigation and the New Tax Law. For over 42 years, Jeff, his father John, and their staff have been providing tax strategy and financial guidance to business owners and investors across the country. Let's listen in. Okay, I use a car for my business. How much of the expense can I write off? And would you advise maybe buying or maybe leasing a car or a business vehicle instead?
The use of a car for business is still a deduction. If you're self-employed and you file a Schedule C within your own return, the deduction for the use of a vehicle is permitted, and you can either use the actual expense method or the mileage method. And it can become complicated. If you're an employee and you use your auto for business, you may no longer receive a deduction because it's going to require the use of a Form 2106, which is a miscellaneous deduction. And this section has been suspended beginning in 2018 from the tax law. And buying or leasing a business vehicle is not so much a yes or a no situation. A lot depends upon the vehicle cost, the type of the lease, and the amount or percentage use of the car for business use. And many factors come into play, and a lot of specifics need to be known in order to answer that question.
The preceding was just one of the many questions that tax strategy expert Jeff Zufall answered in my recent interview. You can get the remainder of the interview plus additional video in the Truth About Taxes with Jeff Zufall video podcast series by visiting the website www.truthabouttaxes.com.